Well, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to take a look at a deluxe studio at Disney's Boardwalk Resort. We were staying in 2080.
And here we are at the Boardwalk.
Now, this is the standard entryway for a deluxe studio. Gives you some space for your luggage, a stroller, your shoes, and there's a mirror. And looking at the bathroom area, you've got your nice wide countertop for all your toiletries, your toothbrushes, etc. You've got a well-lit area in front of the mirror. Lots of storage underneath. And there's also a cosmetic mirror with a light. Now here's the bathroom itself. It's pretty standard, but clean and bright. And of course, if you're like me, you just love these H2O Plus products. And the shower heads have multiple selections for how you want your water to be released. And here's the standard kitchenette for the deluxe studios. Lots of great stuff here. You've got your sink and some space underneath for garbage and recyclables, paper towel, etc. You've got your coffee, Joffrey's, toaster, coffee maker, a microwave, and then you've got some storage space overhead. And Disney is nice enough to also provide some plates, paper towel, mugs, and things of that nature. Now here's the room itself. Again, there's some storage space, a table, coffee table, couch, and a bed. The colors here at the Boardwalk were beautiful. It was very bright and very inviting. I love these fans in the deluxe studios. They certainly keep you cool on those hot Florida evenings. And there's my son, and he was super excited about his view from the balcony. It was really nice to sit on the balcony and be able to see the active, vibrant pool area. Very nice.
Is it a good bed? Can you get up there? What's the verdict? Good bed?
Very
Good.
Awesome!
And here's the TV and the table. And that table folds, and this becomes a beautiful pull-out sleeper. And your little one can sleep right beside Dumbo.
You like that bed?
Yeah, but the whole room is empty.
Look, you're right beside Dumbo.
But can I close it? That we close it again.
Yeah.
Oh, well, I think you can close it.
No, I would never close it while you're sleeping there. How do you like the room, buddy? Awesome, good.
Thanks so much for watching. Please, if you haven't already, like, and if you want to watch some more of these videos, subscribe. We got lots more content coming your way.